When we got our 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit, it didn't seem right just how see-through all these windows were. So I reached out to Tint Action of Utah and made a deal. A video showcasing what they can do and the process of installing the tint for a discount. When you first arrive at their showroom, it's spacious and showcases all the various options for tinting windows. They also offer clear wraps to protect paint. They may offer other services as well, so contact them for details. I'll put their contact info in the description below. I originally intended this to be like an ASMR type of video with no talking, no music, but they had radio playing in the background just quiet enough that I didn't even notice it at the time. But while editing, I can hear it well enough that I'm sure YouTube would give me a copyright strike for it. So now it's a voiceover with some dubbed music. I'll tell you what though, these guys did top-notch work. They tag-teamed it and got it done in about an hour and a half. At times there were 3 of them working on my car at the same time. I was trying to get good video footage at the same time as trying to stay out of their way. It wasn't easy all the time. The quick work and professional outcome make this a no-brainer for me. I would never try to emulate this on a modern vehicle, especially that rear window. They made it look easy enough, but they even had to have multiple guys to do that one window. The tint I chose was as dark as I could legally go here in the state of Utah. The front windows are 1 shade lighter in tint than the rest. But that's enough talking. Let's roll some music and just watch these guys work. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. More videos are coming soon. Thanks, guys. Troy's Garage, out.
Bye.